Hello everybody, good morning. How are you doing? You okay? All right. On this video I want to show you how you can make a logo with Canva. So what is so important is that what is a traditional method? Whenever you want to design a logo, make sure you make a research about the logo, because one way or the other somebody in the past might have done a logo like that. So if you are able to see their work, then your work becomes so much easier to do. Okay, so if you look at the logo that I showed you, I'm going to show you how I did it here exactly. All right, so basically without further ado, let's say I will open my notepad. So once you look at here, we have a problem. It's about a logo design. All right, so we are going to be so creative, so we are able to do our own design individually. Okay, it says make a logo for a mini poultry farm. Use the right icons and fonts that can later be used. So it's branding. Okay, all right, so the top icons I highlighted are maybe chicken or eggs. You could include it, or feather, anything that has to do with that business, because this one is talking about mini poultry farm. You might want to start up that business. So how do you go about making your logo professionally? Everything, okay, as I keep telling people, always go and make a research about it. Let's say you want to make logo on anything. Let's say you want to start a supermarket. Okay, what you're going to do is go to Google and type supermarket logos. All right, I'm going to turn on my Wi-Fi. Let me turn on my Wi-Fi, connect automatically. All right, so make a refresh. All right, so when you look at here, making a research will give you different kind of supermarket logos. So from here you will then begin to figure out which one you might really prefer, which one you think is good for you. Okay, you're going to see this. Some of them are letter logos, some of them are pictorial logos, some of them are watermark logos, which we will discuss later. But as of now, I want you to get the idea that anytime you have a problem to face, make a research about it. Okay, make a research. Okay, this seems so clean. It looks so clean. Okay, it looks so clean. Look at this one, fresh supermarket. All right, so when you look at the icon here, they tend to give you a kind of supermarket wheel, okay, with its fruits on it, hopefully with a handle. So these are some of the icons to remember when you are making your own research. All right, so can you see this one? Look at this one. Can you see that? This is a very good logo, family supermarket. So that means the brand name must have been family supermarket with a slogan, family satisfaction. Do you understand? So anytime you're making a logo, the logo must have a vision and a mission. All right, so after viewing some samples of logo, what I will do now, I will go back to a place that I normally call as Canva. Okay, I'll come to my phone, I'll look for the Canva, because we are going to be using Canva templates to see how the logos can be made. So when you open your Canva, you are going to go straight to the home page. All right, on the home page you will basically see everything, like all of the projects you have ever worked with. Okay, but remember, we are using this one as a reference. What are we doing? We are to make a logo for a mini poultry farm. So the keyword here is poultry farm. All right, so what I would do on Canva, I'll just make a research on poultry farm logos. So Canva's search bar, it's very powerful. Like it's very intelligent. Anything we search it and keyword we put there, it is able to make a research of the nearest thing and give to it. So the keywords we put there are very important. So we're going to see different samples of logos that are on Canva. Some are on premium, some are not on premium. All right. Okay, how do you know some are the premium ones? Okay, look at this one. This is a Canva for Teams account, so I cannot say that is a personal account. Okay, I can use this account to get almost all the features that are available on Canva mobile phone. All right, but you are using a free one, you might not be able to use that, so you are going to use these ones without any crown, without anything. All right, so I want you to understand that. So look at how beautiful those designs are. Okay, let's say I want to use this one for my business. Okay, let's look at this one. Okay, I'm going to give it a click. Wow, this is pretty, right? This is pretty. This is pretty. So what I'm going to do, I could decide to say, oh, okay, I want to change the writings. Okay, I can say, okay, let me put Victor Nix. Okay, you know what you're going to write there because you have made your research and then you know what you want to write there. Victor Nix chicken. Okay, I'm just writing randomly for the purpose of these recordings. Okay, Victor Nix chicken. All right, so if I should click that, I could decide to say, okay, I want to make it bold. Okay, I will go like this. Format. Well, can you see that? It's bold. Okay, if you want to underline, okay, I'm going to leave it like that. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, we can also try to change the font size. I could say, okay, I want to make it, okay, can you see that? You can play with the font size. What do you want to use it for? Like, which kind of font size do you prefer it to have? Okay, but for now, I am going to leave it by default, how it was. When you look at it on this place, I want to maintain the default name that it was having, Victor Nix chicken. All right, so usually I want you to look at the top right corner. Look at it. There are two arrows. One is facing up, one is facing down. The one that is facing down is there for instant download. If you don't want to make any settings, you want to make any changes on the settings, okay, just automatic download. But the ones that is looking up, let me give it a click. You see what I'm saying? Okay, I'm going to click on the first one. Can you see? This is an automatic download. Once you click it, no way of thinking twice. Okay, that is this one. Let me highlight it for you so you are able to figure out that is for this one. Okay, if I should click on the next one, I want you to look at it. Okay, see it? It's going to give me more plays, more settings, something I can customize. Okay, what size do I want? Do I want the original size or do I want to get twice the size of it? Okay, so depending on how I want it. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to leave it by 1. All right, so do I need a transparent background or I don't need a transparent background? All right, so what format do I need it? Do I need it on PNG, PDF format, SVG? Do I have, these are certain things you can play on. So the one that is facing up gives extra information. All right, so to get it downloaded, I will just click it at one go.